Hello, in this video we are going to send a fixed size string from PC to STM32 board via UART. On PC it will be a Python file that generates the string and send it via the UART directly to the STM board and not via the direct connection of the STM board to the PC. I will show it in a minute. What it means, the files on the STM32 are based on my previous video where we created the basic project with CubeMX environment. So this is a hardware setup. We have two USB connections on PC. One is connected to the USB to UART converter, and the second is connected directly to STM32. Via this connection, we can flash a program on the STM32, and via this connection, we can send the UART message. This is a pins of the STM32, where the important thing is you have a UART here, which is used with PA2 and PA3 as TX and RX, which is used for USB, used to flash the program on the board. And here those pins weren't highlighted, but in program they were activated, PA10 and PA9, which use external input with external UART message. The direct connection, we connect those pins. You can see PA8 and PA10 with the following pins. And the ground positions is very important because initially I connected ground from the right side of the board where the RX and TX are placed, and it led to complete crash of the board and a lot of problems. So I connected this ground pin on the 19th pin place, and now it worked okay. Regarding our sources, we save our data on Sims IoT devices, GitHub repository, FreeRTOS, UART STM32. And here you have our previous files where a transmission of UART from ESP32 to STM32 were demonstrated. In this video, we're talking only about PC to STM32 transmission, where this file is a Python file which sends hello to STM32 message, and this file is a main file of the STM32 project. We don't just copy it, and I will talk a little bit more about how we can work with it. First, we will open our PuTTY channel and to open our serial screen. Here you can see the device manager of Windows, and in our ports, COMs and LPTs section, we can see that COM5 and COM7 are connected. COM5 is used for the UART connection, and port 7, COM7 is used for the STM. So let's open the PuTTY and see the file. Here we have the Python file, and here we have the cube ID. Let's run it first. Build and run. Okay, now it's running, and it's print that the string is empty via our USB connection. Now we will send a message to the STM32. The Python file is running and this message is sent. Please note that this is 14 bytes characters message, because we are talking about fixed size string connection. It's very important how many bytes is here, and we can see this message which STM prints on the serial screen. COM7 is the STM USB connection, and here we are sending it's via COM5, which is our USB connection. I will send it again and again, and you can see that this is working. So how we got to this point and what we do with the file. The file was automatically generated by the cube MX, and in my previous video it was a detailed explanation how it can be done. We took from this code 3 snippets of code. First, we use the include string and summed it and put it in includes here. Includes here string user begin and end. It's very important to put it inside the defined places where the code begins and the code ends. In this way, the auto generation will not damage the code that we have written. So we put the include file here. The second snippet is here, this, and this, where we define our string. This is our initial string, which is 30 bytes, arbitrary 30 bytes, and have the value empty. And our data, because we know that the fixed length is exactly 14 bytes. Those are the same 14 bytes that we transmit from the Python file. And the third snippet is here in user begin. This is user begin 2. And here in user begin 3, we have a third snippet which has the following sequence. First, we transmit the data that we have in Rx data to the serial screen, and you can see here it was transmitted empty. It's running in the infinite loop. Then we put enter just to organize this data in the new line. And here we are waiting to receive data. When we receive the data, we waiting the maximum possible time, but when 14 bytes are received, they are entered inside this variable. We wait for a second and then print this variable, and you can see that the data is printed here. So it's running in the infinite loop. It's waiting to receive, and we send it 3 times and received it 3 times. So in this video, we demonstrated how to update a new project with 3 snippets of code and send a UART message with fixed size from the Python file running on PC, which will send via UART data to the STM board, and STM board will present it on the serial screen. Thank you.